This is Chris. This is part 2 of our commercial shopping center walkthrough. You can see one weed that really thrives in a condition like this is mustard and tumbleweed material. Now here's an issue where a city is likely to cite the property owner. Just depends upon the city. Los Angeles really don't like this situation. I think I say where I'm at, and the other thing is we can see weed fabric. Okay, weed fabric only matters if there's protecting the landscape from grasses growing through. You can see what happens when you put weed fabric down, and even in a good installation like this where they put a couple inches of rock down, at some point the foot traffic or circumstances wear through. Now all of a sudden you've got this huge mess of weed fabric. But cities don't like this when the insulation of the rock material winds up with it getting kicked and drifted over the sidewalks. This is a litigation issue. I'm not sure about the property, in this case a commercial property, if they face exposure from it. But we see this when people use low quality decomposed granite that has a lot of clay in it, a lot of slip and fall accidents on sidewalks when they're wet, a lot of litigation. So, and that fantastic weed fabric. Whoa, isn't that a great landscape statement? That's why I say, in almost all circumstances you're better without weed fabric, except when there's been a lawn there before. And as you can see over here where we know they put the weed fabric, it really didn't do much to control that mustard.